this is the back one. And this side one and the other side one. So now I'm going to mark the dot on the back one. This is the wrong side and this one is the right side. I'll remove this later. From here, center back, I'll measure 4 inches. From shoulder, I'll measure 9 inches. Then hip line 24. Come up by 2 inches, which is 22. So the dart will stop here 22 inches, from 9 inches to 22 inches the dart. And her waist is 15. So I'll draw the line. So this is her waistline. I'll mark ½ inch on both sides, ½ inch, half. Then I'll connect it from this point to this one and from here to the end here. I'll do the same on this side. Okay, let me just do it. This is back dart. You will repeat the same on the other side. So I'm going to sew the dart. I'll just hold it like this. This is the front one side of the front one. So I'm going to mark the dart. And this is the wrong side. This side is the right side. Wrong side. So you remember that we added 6 inches here for overlap. So 6 inches plus 4 inches, because I'm going to use 4 inches for her dart. 4 inches is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. So I'll mark 10 inches from here. So this is 10 inches here. So from the shoulder on this side, you measure 12 inches. Front dart starts from 12 inches, or 1 inch below your bust point. Your bust point, for instance, that your bust point is 10 inches, you go down by 1 inch, which is 11 inches. So I'll use 12 inches for her, standard. And her half length is 15. Her hip line is 24, and I'll come up by 2 inches, which is 22, from 12 inches to 22. So the dart will end here, 22 inches from the shoulder. So from here to this point is 10 inches, 6 plus 4. So this is her waistline. I'll mark ½ inch on both sides. Okay, this is the front dart. So this is the other side of the front side. This is the wrong side. I'll put it like this. This one is the right one on top. This is the two wrong side. Okay, I want to transfer the dart to the one on top, so I'll do it like this. It's on this one, but it's very faint. But if you can't do it like this, you just mark the same on this one. From here, this is the wrong side. From here, you measure 10 inches, 12 inches from the shoulder, then you measure the dart the same thing I did. I'm going to sew it now. So I'll sew the dart. I've pressed it also. So now I did the same on the front one also. The dart. And this one also I've sewn it. So now this is the right side here. I want to join the shoulders. This is the right side. And this is the right side. I will turn it like this. This is the dart. So right side, right side. I'll use 1/2 inch to join the shoulder. This is the other side. This is the right side. I'll put it like this. The shoulder, I'll put it together. So I'm going to join the shoulder. I've joined the shoulder with 1/2 inch. So I've pinned the side and the other side. So now I will take my measurement. So here I have a 1 inch seam allowance. One inch on the waistline. One inch hip line. 1 inch on the lower part here. 1 inch. So I'll connect the line. I'll sew on it. That's where I'll sew. I'll do the same on the other side. So I'm going to shape it now. So but before I'll do that, I'll pin this. So I have 2 of these belts and I have 2 of this one also. So one of these will be on this side and this one I'll put it here. So now I'll put this one like this. This line is 14 inches from the shoulder, so I'll pin this one here. Because I want to shape it, I'll sew it there. So this side, I'll put this one from inside because this is the wrong side of the fabric. The right side is inside, and this belt is supposed to be like this. So I'll put it inside. And I'll put it here on the 14 inches. It will start from the 14 inches here also. So I'm going to sew it. So why I said 14 inches, remember her waistline is 15 inches. On this side, I came up by 1 inch, so it's 14 here. So I'll do it and show you. So now I've joined it. The belt is inside. I've attached it. Also this one, I've sewn it. So what I'm going to do now, I'll turn the front side. I'll show you the belt. And this small belt, if you want, you can use ribbon instead of this. If you want, you can use this type of ribbon, matching color. So you see, this is the right side of the fabric now. This one is inside. This small one will be inside. I'm going to attach these two also. Remember, I have 2 of this and 2 of this. So this small one will be here. I'll put it like this. On this one, you can use ribbon on this side if you want. So I'll pin it. So this one, will be here. You see? Like this. So I've attached the belt on this side and also on this side. So what I'll do next is to use bias to start from here to sew all round to the other end. After that, I'll fix the sleeve. I'll put it from inside like this. Open the seam. Open this one. It's basic sleeve. She wants basic sleeve. You can use any sleeve of your choice. So I'll sew it round. Then I will hem the lower part. Lower part, you remember I have 2 inches seam allowance here. I'll fold half, then I'll fold 1.5. I'll do it after doing it. I'll show you. So this is the dress. I'm finished. So you can see I use bias to finish this side. So you will tie this one to this one inside, and this one to this one on this side. You can also make it as a blouse. The only difference is the length. You can just measure from your shoulder to where you want your blouse to stop and make it as blouse. And you can also curve your own if you want. Curve your own on the lower part, but she doesn't want her own like that. So this is the dress, but it's only that the mannequin is bigger than the dress. The mannequin is bust 39 and the dress is bust 36, but it's still look on it. So this is it. And if you want like 2 belts, because I use 4 belts, 2 tiny and 2 big one on this one. But if you want 2 belts, I'll put a link on the description and the comment section for sewing of the other wrap dress. I have another wrap dress, Maxi wrap dress. So in case if you want to sew yours that way, you can also do that. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please give this video a thumb up. Thank you.